Welcome to the future of marketing, where creativity meets the power of artificial intelligence. At Alkemy EdTech, we bring you the AI-powered digital marketing course, a course designed to equip you with the skills to harness the full potential of AI and transform the way businesses connect with customers. In this course, you'll explore how AI can optimize your campaigns, predict consumer behavior, and generate smarter strategies that deliver results. From mastering AI-driven analytics to creating dynamic social media strategies, we cover everything you need to stay ahead in today's competitive landscape. Learn from industry experts, gain hands-on experience with cutting-edge tools, and earn a certification that boosts your career prospects. The future is here. Get ready to explore the transformative power of AI in digital marketing. Dive into the course, master the latest tools, and start shaping your future in this dynamic and innovative field. Let's begin the journey to your success.